Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that's been on a lot of our minds lately: election results. The period following an election can be filled with a mix of emotions, and it's important to navigate these feelings in a healthy way. Whether your candidate won or lost, it's important to stay positive and motivated. Remember, elections are just one part of our democratic process. After all, we're all Americans and we all want the best for our country. Our shared values and common goals are what truly bind us together. First things first. If your candidate didn't win, it's totally normal to feel disappointed. It's okay to take some time to process your emotions. But remember, life goes on. The sun will rise again tomorrow, and there are still many ways to make a positive impact. Take a deep breath and focus on the things you can control. Grounding yourself in the present moment can help alleviate stress and anxiety. Engage in activities that make you happy, whether it's painting, playing music, or any other hobby that brings you joy. Spend time with loved ones and find ways to contribute to your community. These connections can provide a strong support system. Remember, change doesn't only happen at the top, it happens within our own neighborhoods and daily lives. Small actions can lead to big changes over time. Now, if your candidate did win, it's crucial to be gracious and compassionate. Winning with humility is just as important as losing with grace. Celebrate, but also be mindful of those who are feeling down. A little empathy can go a long way in healing divisions. Reach out and offer a kind word or a listening ear. Sometimes just knowing someone cares can make a big difference. This is a time for unity, not division. We must strive to come together and support one another. No matter the outcome, we need to remember that we're all in this together. Our strength lies in our unity. Our country is built on the foundation of differing opinions and healthy debates. These differences are what make our democracy vibrant and dynamic. It's what makes America strong and resilient. By engaging in respectful dialogue, we can find common ground and work towards solutions. So let's embrace our differences and work together towards a better future. Our diversity is our strength. One way to stay motivated is to get involved in local initiatives. Grassroots efforts can have a significant impact. Volunteer for causes you care about, whether it's helping at a food drive or participating in a community cleanup. Support local businesses and participate in community events. These actions help build a stronger, more connected community. These actions not only help others but also give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Being part of something bigger than yourself can be incredibly rewarding. Another thing to keep in mind is to take care of yourself. Self-care is crucial, especially during stressful times. It's easy to get caught up in the political frenzy, but your mental and physical health should always come first. Prioritize activities that promote well-being. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat well, and stay active. These habits can help you maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat well, and take breaks from social media and news when it gets overwhelming. Disconnecting can help you recharge. Take breaks from social media and news when it gets overwhelming. Sometimes a digital detox is just what you need to clear your mind. Lastly, let's all strive to be better listeners. Active listening can foster understanding and empathy. Everyone has a unique perspective and story to tell. By opening our hearts and minds, we can learn from each other. By listening and understanding where others are coming from, we can build stronger, more empathetic communities. Empathy is the key to unity. We can build stronger, more empathetic communities. In the end, it's about moving forward together. Our collective efforts will shape the future. Elections come and go, but our shared values and goals as Americans remain. Let's focus on what unites us, not what divides us. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay positive and motivated. We've got this. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay positive and motivated. We've got this. Together, we can achieve great things. Until next time, take care. Stay hopeful, stay engaged, and keep striving for a better tomorrow.